Supercross. It's my rookie season, just having some fun with it. Just a little quick little intro for y'all for her YouTube channel.
Hey guys, so welcome back. We're here at the Mercedes-Benz Stadium for the Atlanta Supercross. It is freezing cold. Right now we're going to the FCA VIP pass, so we'll get some footage of that for y'all and try to stay warm. Alright, so we're sitting here watching the track walk. The riders meet is about to start, and we're sitting here talking to Dad about the track. It looks pretty sick. There's a lot of riders out there right now, so we're warm, I think. I don't know, it's so cold, but hey guys, we're in the pits. It's really crazy because like the pits are inside because it's like freezing cold outside. So I just got a shirt and we're just gonna walk around. We saw a couple riders go through the Ride of Fame, and the pits are crazy. And we're just gonna try to narrow our way through and see if we can meet some riders.
All right, do it. All right, hit him.
Can you do your best dirt bike impression for my YouTube channel?
Yes. What do you want?
Two-stroke over whoops.
All right.
There you
That
go.
was a one section to the triple.
Nice, nice,
That was a step on, step off.
nice. Thanks, dude.
Two-stroke, four-stroke. Sure. Wing, wing. Yeah. That's all I got. You're up. Best dirt bike impression. Rob. Rob. All right, you got the intro.
Yeah.
We're here with Blake Baggett. He's going to give us the best impression of the future.
There you go.
Hey guys, we're here with Hudson from SCA, and he's going to do his best impression of the future.
Nice. This dude is an amazing guy. Thanks for all the help, man. There it is.
Okay, so we're going in for practice right now, and then we're going to watch the main events and the heats. So, I'm ready for some good racing. Haven't seen any practice today, which kind of bums me out, but I'm excited to go see some racing.
been a great ambassador for the sport, Chad. You're one of the, if not the toughest competitors that I personally know and have had the pleasure to race against. You're respected by all because of that. With all of that said, the great battles you and I have had, I'm most proud to call you my friend. Help me welcome this guy right here for his final season, the Swan Song from Curry, Australia, Mr. Chad Reedy.
never easy, and to walk away from something that you love as much as I do with this, but the time is right.
At such a young age, I just dreamt of just being a procurement craft. So to come here, and for me, it's the, I don't know if it's the glitz and the glam, it's, in my words, I would say it's the highest level of dirt biking.
Shattery picks up a victory.
I look back and I'm proud that throughout all the years I was able to remain not only here week after week after week, year after year, but I was able to bring competitive.
And there is Shattery, the legend.
When all said and done, like where I'm at is right now. I just feel proud that it's done my way.
Yeah, just to my last season, appreciate each and every one of you individuals that have been kind to me over the years.
Well, it's been a hell of a ride.
Ready for Mountain Motorsports CBTND CR22 Racing from Currie, Australia, making their final Atlanta appearance. Number 22, Tate, Pace, Kaya, and Chad.
motocross for us. It was really good. We met a ton of people. It was really fun. We got to work with FCA a lot and got to meet a ton of people from them. We got to see a lot of good racing. I'm so excited for Daytona because Roxon and Tomac are going to be battling so hard, and they're going to both want to get the red plate because they both have the red plate now because they're tied in points. So it'll be some good racing, and everyone stayed safe. So we'll see y'all in Daytona.
All right, bet.
Daggum Moto kids.